It's December 4th, 2025, guys. We got a Case 580 Super L Series 2 here. This one's a two-wheel drive. Does not have extend hoe or a 4-in-1 bucket, but it is a nice clean unit with low hours. Got 33,000 something hours. We'll check the meter there on the video. All tires hold air. Enclosed drops, missing some glass. Just those flat panels there, that's not too hard to replace. AC unit with the compressor hooked up and working. No blow by, I did show a picture of that. It does squirt oil everywhere. Just known on these 5.9 Cummins, or these 4BT Cummins rather, they all squirt out oil a little bit. Anyway, two-wheel drive. It's got auxiliary hydraulics. The seat's seen some better days. Needs a cheap seat or just use it as is. 37.45 on the hours. The hour meter is clicking through, as you can see. Okay, good hours on it, guys. Doesn't smoke. We'll go ahead and get you a quick little operations video here. Let you see this unit in action. The last four on this VIN are 7012. Yeah, needs glass here and here. They just popped out, but these are flat pieces, so they're easy to get. All right, guys, without further ado, let's get you a quick little operations video here, let you see this unit in action. All right, check it out. All right, guys, as you can see, the unit ran and worked as it's supposed to, guys. Two-wheel drive, Series 2, non-extend-a-hoe, but it did run well, had good hours on it, guys, and it is a Super L with an enclosed ROPS. Yeah, it needs some glass, but it's all there. They're getting harder to find, guys. If you're interested in this unit, please give us a call, 972-666-9501 or 1-855-EQ-DEALS. Thank you very much.